Ano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Granda's Sweets and Delicacies. It started with Ma'am Lisa when her sibling asked her to bake Sansrival para dun sa mga office mate ng kapatid niya. That was way back 2007. It was 2008 when they decided to put up from hobby into a professional business. So they have been in the industry for more than 10 years. So speaking of tenureship, here are the branches where you can actually avail these products. No? So they are at SM Telabastagan, SM Pampanga, SM Clark. They are also at Don Honorio Ventura Street in Bacolor. They are also located sa Don A. Roces Avenue, Barangay Obrero, Quezon City. Now let's talk about them conquering South Manila side. They are actually featured sa spot.ph. They are included sa top 10 Sansrival in Manila 2019 edition. So they are included sa top 3 best Sansrival in Manila. So congratulations Grandas. Hindi po magiging ganun yung estado nila or yung katayuan nila kung hindi masarap ang mga pagkain ganito. Okay, so let me introduce po one by one. So meron sila ditong shortbread cookies. So let's taste it. Wow, it has a bit of, para sa akin, yung meron siyang lasa ng zest, medyo lemony, pero mas masarap talaga to partnered with a hot coffee or hot chocolate. Okay, let me introduce another one. So they have this Granda's butter toast. Let's taste it. Again, from the name itself, it's so buttery. But then again, I would like to, partner it with a hot coffee or a hot, chocolate drink because it's really inviting for some liquid now. Another product they have is this brownie bar. So we have a sample here sa plate natin. So chewy. It's so nutty. Para sa akin medyo bitter yung chocolate niya, but I guess that's how is it intended for a dark brown with chocolate, no? And so we also have tarts. Wow, it's chewy, it's so nutty. Sarap. It is actually appetizing. Very appetizing sa amoy pa lang. So, another item I would like to introduce you guys is yung kanilang butterscotch. So, yeah. This is how it looks like. Let's taste it. It's so nutty, it's so gooey, it's chewy. This is a butterscotch flavor delicacy. If you were to ask me kung anong pipiliin ko between brownie and butterscotch, I think I'll go for the chocolate brownie. Alright, gotta move on, guys. Two of their best sellers. We have the Sansrival and then the sylvannas. So I'll go first with the sylvannas. I gotta finish this first. Wow, that is absolutely delightful. Ang sarap. You can, have this in a afternoon merienda with some fruit juice or again, hot coffee or hot chocolate. Sob na sob ako dyan. So finally, I come to the, main part of this vlog, which is to taste this Sansrival. This is really so beautiful. It's so pretty. You have loads of nuts on top. And I can't wait to taste it. Wow, check that out first, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna taste it. All I can say is just amazing. This is so fantastic. What I like about it, again, it's not too sweet. Although it's chewy and gooey, na-observe ko dito, it doesn't actually stick to your teeth. So I like it. Hindi siya ganun kamesi na kinakain. It smells really, really good. Wow, that is just amazing. Grabe, gusto ko pa ng isa. But again guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, or you get interested to try Grandas, no, make sure to check out their fan page. Yung mga branches or places you can actually get these are included. So you can just check out their fan page kung saan po yung nearest branch or distributor you can get these amazing goodies. So I'm gonna have this guy right here, another taste test. Grabe, ang sarap ng Sansrival nila. I really like it. So again guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reactions or recommendations coming from you guys will be highly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, hope to see you there.